Hi there everyone, I am back and I am going to share my February project life. So here we go. I'm going to do a close-up and then I'll go ahead and talk you through the pockets. Now remember, this is 8.5 by 11 size and these are, excuse me, the ATC trading cards from Hobby Lobby. Okay, so my title, you guys know I used the cameo cut from the silhouette to do the month. And this is just, I believe it's from L Studio, and it's old. And so I just added some stickers here from Simple Stories, and then 2 brads, and then I just ran some crochet twine around it a couple times, and then just left the knots hanging there. So I don't know if I love it, excuse me, but that's that. So this is actually a rubber piece. It's my own. I have a couple rubber pieces that I received from a haul from Jen Scow, from a foodie haul that I want to say she got from maybe Freckled Fawn or L Studio. I'm not sure. But anyway, the Secretary of State came to our facility, and so that was fun. Secretary of State, or Secretary of Agriculture anyway. So this was February sticker, clear sticker, and this is just me documenting that the groundhog saw his shadow, which meant 6 more weeks of winter. And so here's a wood veneer with a sad face, and I did a hated it, which I think is from Basic Gray. And this is just a picture from the internet. So if you know, you guys live in sunny Florida or somewhere else that's sunny, I'm jealous because this winter has been a little nuts in the Midwest. So these are the days. Old Project Life card. We went to the rodeo. It was here in town. And so that was kind of fun. Very interesting if you like people watching. This was Super Bowl Sunday. I just used some old puffy stickers. And then I just took a Snapchat and put Sunday Fun Day of my husband and I watching the game. This is a Project Life card with the days of the week. And you know, I don't know where most of these cards are from. You know, they're either gifts or super old. This AM PM is a chipboard from that Allie Edwards. At one point, I had won that kit, so that's from that. This is just to document a snow day. This is my son Minecrafting. That's what he does. He lives and breathes it. Thankfully, he has a timeline on his tech because that's what he would do all the time. This Delish is a wood veneer, again, from the Jen Scow bundle. Let's Eat is a piece of chipboard from Freckled Fawn, and it was National Pizza Day, so I took a picture of our plate. Well, or the pizza, not my plate. This was from Valentine's Day. This is an old clear acrylic overlay. Just says love. And it's got actually some fuzzy on it, so it's kind of interesting, but I have no clue where it came from. Anyway, this is a Be Mine puffy sticker. Really old. This is me using that Technique Tuesday cutout die and using a pin. I just remove the backing like I normally do, and it just says love. Just put it there. This is a picture of my coffee cup. I put one of those decals on that I got from Dollar Tree. It says, "Shh, I'm on my coffee break." And I just did a fun filter on it with some hearts. And I did some washi tape. And first cup, that is actually from that Allie AM PM set piece of chipboard, and then just some more puffy hearts. Trying to use those up. This is some washi from, I don't know, my stash. I just colored some letters with some letter stickers with a Sharpie, and this chipboard is from Freckled Fawn, and then I just documented us on a date night with friends. This is new artwork I got for my house off of Etsy, and this is just a sticker. And this home is built on love and shenanigans, and I just ran it through like a fun bokeh filter. So that's fun. I forgot to do a once over, but that's okay. So this favorite is a Project Life card, and I just added, if you guys saw my last video, it was a layout of this picture, a full 12 by 12. And I mentioned how I was using the tickets from the roller rink, and so that's just what's back here. I just put them on an angle for some movement. This old glittered puffy sticker, it says Together, Sweet Days is from Freckled Fawn. I don't know where the Together is from. I stamped Seriously, that's from Studio L2E. It's like a crappy day stamp or something like that. This isn't meant to be a crappy day, but this is my son's Rubik's collection, and it's not even all of them. He has a small puzzle fetish, and he loves these. So obviously, and then hold on a second. I put the stamp weekend. That's from Heidi Swap, and I just put kind of a little recap about our weekend because it was super busy. Let's see. The You and Me, that's actually a vellum piece from crepe paper. I've had it in my stash for a while. I just cut it apart to make it work for me. Movie Night is from Freckled Fawn. This is just my daughter and I. We finally went to see The Greatest Showman, and we loved it. And so I documented about that here. So yeah. And then my husband went with his friend for a race, and so I documented a little bit about that here and what else we did this weekend that I don't have in photograph form. So yeah, I just did that. It doesn't bother me to use, my word stickers, and the fact that it's pink, I don't care. It says Lifetime Awesomeness and Friends. So, and then, yeah, my Big Shot broke. So RIP Big Shot, it's been a good 10 years. That's how long I had this baby. I bought it right when they came out, and it was love at first sight. And I got it for $50 off of eBay. And man, I use die cuts almost on every single project. So this thing, I got my money's worth out of it. So I did get a new one from Amazon. I got the white and gray one, just the basic one, nothing spiffy or anything amped up. It's just basic, but so far I love it. So I'll do another once over. If you have any questions, of course, leave them below in the comment section. And if you like this video, I'd love a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel. You can find me over on Instagram and Facebook. I'll leave the links below in the description box. And thanks so much for stopping by today. And I'll be back soon with another layout or project. I'm not sure yet, but I've got a lot of stuff cooking. So, all right, guys. Thanks. Bye.